Hello and welcome to week 8 of term 4. There's plenty going on this week. Monday is election day in the PYP, where everyone will be voting for the new STUCO president and vice president. Then on Tuesday, the same students will be able to volunteer for various other STUCO roles. So it's a big day in the PYP. In the high school, there was a Tuesday lunchtime virtual meeting with Stony Brook University in the LRC. And then later in the day, there is a high school assembly led by grade 9 in Ciputra Hall. Wednesday is a big day with a cross-curriculum cross-country run. Don't forget your running shoes. There is no school on Thursday because it is the Ascension of Christ. Happy Ascension to those that celebrate that holiday, and enjoy the day off to those of you that do not. Friday is a professional development day for staff, which is another day off for students. Teachers will, however, of course, be hard at work. And don't forget that Friday night is the staff gathering in Zhang Palace. See you there.